What's up, you guys? It is RJ. We are back again with Super Junior D&E. We are on to Oppa Oppa, which I think is their very first song that they came out with. One of the first, maybe. Then Motorcycle, No Love, and then B.A.D or B.A.D. It's got periods, so I don't know if it's supposed to be an acronym or if it's just B.A.D. Either way, we had a nice variety in the first video, so I'm excited to check out these. Let's go. All right, first up. Interesting title, Oppa Oppa. Let's go. Oh, concert.
Welcome to the Super Show. Let's go. My name is Tonghe. Let's party tonight.
He looks good in this suit. This song has a fun vibe. Super catchy. Okay, hips. Oh. Did they debut this song at the Super Show or something? Is that why this is the music video? Very fun vibe though. What in the world? This is cute. Wow. I like how the inside of Donghae's jacket is, wow, is yellow as well to kind of match Eunhyuk. And I think Eunhyuk's is red. That's cool. You're shaking them hips. What the hell? Okay. Wow. Okay. 2011. So then this would have been, what, 5 years after debut? They started the subunit, so this would have been the first song then, right? Well, all right. That was fun. Why? Oh, well, then again, I guess I was just going to ask, like, why red and yellow? Was that like a staple thing? I started to wonder if I was like, if I had seen that color combination throughout like previous music videos, but I don't know. Maybe it was just like this one video. It probably has no significance. But yeah, that was definitely a very fun song. Fun watching them dance on stage. Their concerts look like a lot of fun too. Very fun, like hype vibes. Love to see it. Okay, this one was a little confusing because this MV is not uploaded to like the SM like channel. So I had to go to the comments to just kind of confirm that someone said, oh, this is the music video, and that was the case. So here we are. Motorcycle, let's go.
your motor. Rock, 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 rock your motor. Rock me, rock, rock me, rock, rock.
Why isn't this uploaded to like the official channel? I wonder.
Rock your motor. Rock your motorcycle back on the highway.
Not the choreo being the the motorcycle rubbing.
Ignition start.
The wigs. No, bring them back. What in the world? Who is this shaking ass? Very nice. Oh god. She won. I was waiting for him to turn around and be Lito. Very cool choreo.
Get up. Ooh. To the right hand like high beat that's not somebody. Ooh. To the left right check it kiss my little ray dragon. Rock, rock, but attack somebody far away. Rock, rock, 가슴 끄덕 in my rocket. Beep, beep, guys you're on my way home. 기가 I can ride all time.
Tricycle.
More. Never turn around. Yeah. Never turn around.
Whoa.
Rock your motor. Rock your motorcycle back along the highway. Motorcycle pedal out of hallway. Rock your motorcycle, ride me on the highway. Rock your motorcycle, ride me on the highway.
Wow. Wow. I mean, come on now. Those wigs are iconic. Where are they at? No, it's the close-up. It's like the glamour shot that they typically do for music videos. That's what's getting me. Because he's wearing this wig and it's like flowing in the wind. Why is it red? Why red though? Or brunette color? You know, whatever. Fine. Yeah, this was funny. Okay, yeah, this was even funnier. I knew it had to be something going on because I was like, why is he turned the other way? This had to be a member. I was just waiting to see what it was going to be. The answer did not totally disappoint. Look at his face. Anyway, this was fun. I'm very curious why this isn't on. It doesn't even have like the SM stuff, like the SM typical logo and whatnot. So I don't know what that was about. Maybe you guys have more information about like maybe what this was filmed for. Maybe that has something to do with that. I don't know. Either way, the choreo was a lot of fun, like the motorcycle references. What I could catch of the chorus lyrics, what was he saying? Like, ride me like a motorcycle or ride me on the highway, something like that. I think it was something along those lines, but very interesting. It's a fun song, you know, turn it on, turn your brain off, dance, have a good time. Okay, we are suddenly flashing right into the future with No Love. Let's go. I've seen this place before.
눈을 못 떼겠어 high tide 무심한 너의 eyeline 너로부터 남자들 살지나 내게 close up 내가 볼 정도의 너 두 눈에 아무도 보이지
Oh.
않는 곳으로 데려가 Kissing, touching on your skin till when you heart attack All we need 내일이 올 때까지 say we do She wants some more, more, more 그녀는 원해 real love 알려줘 what is love 내게 속삭이지만 입을 맞춰 right I'll give you anything I'll take you anywhere 잠깐이겠지만 let's roll
That was cool.
I'm so bad I don't mind I don't mind Oh baby I don't care 다른 맘 아마 날
They look great. Yeah, this is a vibe.
느껴져 peace and harmony 모든 장면이 dramatic 스릴을 즐겨 파도를 타듯이 I know you're precious
Ooh.
위 있을 때도 민나라 텍스처 즐기고 싶을 뿐 그녀는 원해 real love 말해줘 what is love 내게 속삭이지만 깊게 안겨 right I'll give you anything
Hey.
I'll take you anywhere 잠깐이겠지만 let's roll
Okay. Are we creatures of the night? I'm digging the production of the song. What are you? Oh. Wow. I really like that bridge. Wow, they look great. Oh, that looks. Yeah, the choreo was sick. Wow. Yeah, I've seen this location because Anteam filmed their Scent of You MV there. This last little look here, I mean, I feel like we've seen them in suits before, but I don't know what it is about these suits, but they look great. Unyak though? I think it's the glasses. Wait, I had those glasses. Similar, but not exactly. Wait, there's no lenses. I shouldn't be surprised. Anyway, this bridge was also really cool. I just like the entire dance vibe of this song, actually, because this is something I would listen to today. Like a lot of times, like, I mean, I know this isn't that old. This came out in like 2020, which seems so much longer ago than it actually is. But a lot of songs that come out in like the 2010s era-ish, sometimes like they live there for me, and I usually don't end up listening to them unless they hit right. This is one of those dance songs that's like right on the edge of the 2010s because it's like going into 2020, you know? But this is a vibe. I like this beat. I like this whole vibe. Like the dancing, especially, like these two were eating this choreo up. This part, especially, like the whole look, it's just a great location. I think that also just helped with the vibe too, like the circling lights and whatnot. Yeah, definitely a nice fun vibe. Okay, last up we have B.A.D or B.A.D. Oh, this is also in 2020. Okay, let's go. I saw they were on horses. So what's that about? Looking great. No surprise there. Motorcycle. So it's both. Ooh. All right, leg.
Wake up, check up, ready into 내게 더 멈추지 못할 밤 운명에 갇힌 날 끌어당겨 빨리 더 깊이 빠져 내게 let me know that 이미 던져버린 걸 B.A.D. bam 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 bam.
What is this instrument? Denko's kind of eating that outfit though. Oh, nice. Oh. Transformers.
B.A.D. B.A.D. 날개를 달아 runway 미친 듯이 no way 손이 덮쳐 올리고 get it up 다 같이 go 널 붙잡아 볼래 나와 같이 놀래 조금 거친 방야 hero 좀 더 견뎌볼게 위로 B.A.D. baby don't you worry get back 거기가 넌 어디 난리 난리 B.A.D. baby don't you worry get
This was such an interesting song to me because I think for me this one is probably a grower, but the funny thing is like it grew on me as the song was going on, because I think the chorus is an example of the explanation I was giving a moment ago, about like songs that have that kind of electronic sound where they don't exactly land for me. And this one isn't really one of them, but it kind of was at the beginning. I was like, this is interesting. And I feel like I would enjoy this, but I don't know that I listen to this very often. But as the song went on, I was like, wait, I'm kind of getting into this a little bit. And then the last chorus I thought was a little bit different than the rest of the song sounded, kind of. So that was interesting. That's why I say it's a grower. I think this is definitely one I could listen to again and probably have a different opinion the second time around. But that was totally a fun vibe. And I'm assuming that one and No Love are from the same album then, because they were suggesting that one, and also it came out like a month prior. Also, I really like Donghae's like moves in this. Like as far as dancing goes, like I feel like I always end up pointing out Eunhyuk for dancing. But in that video, I don't know, Donghae was getting it. I liked his outfit, the red one specifically. I think he was just really eating that a lot. It suited him very, very well. But yeah, a good time as always, you guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.